If you're here, there's a good chance that you found me on TikTok Live. Welcome. What you saw on TikTok Live is exactly what you get. No complicated funnels, no expensive websites, no confusing software training. Just one simple page, one AI employee, and one system. For years, I believed I had to chase businesses, cold calls, cold emails, marketing messages, just trying to convince business owners to buy. Then I realized something. Most businesses have so many phone calls of marketers trying to get them to buy. Every day, they are bombarded by marketing messages. And so, the first thing that they do is say no. So I asked myself, what if ordinary people could build something simple first, build income that's recurring, then choose if they have to pursue businesses or just be themselves? That's exactly what this page is about. You don't have to own a business. You don't have to be a marketing expert. You don't have to understand every feature of Go High Level. You simply need to start. The first button on this page allows you to start a free trial. That trial gives you access to the same platform that I use every day. The second button, I call it the magic button. That button allows you to copy the full system that I use into your own account after you create the trial. Now, once you have that copied, you replace everything on the page with your own information. Your name, your phone number, your social media accounts, everything on the page. And now that page becomes your page, not mine. Now the third button is a button that allows you to help people. There are people who don't want to do it by themselves. They want you to do it for them. So definitely, you need to learn how to set everything up so that you are able to start building this page for others. And that's the same thing for you. If you would rather have this done for you, then all you have to do is to hit the third button after you have finished with the two buttons and just ask for the page and everything else to be done for you so you can get set up and start to run today. And throughout this entire journey, you are never alone. My AI employee is available 24/7 answering your questions. And if you ever wanted to talk to me, I'm available. So no waiting times, no missed calls, no missed messages. That's your system. You get help. You get whenever you need it. My philosophy is simple. Don't try to learn everything today. Just take the next step. So if you're ready, click the first button. After you're done with the first button, come back and click the second button to copy the whole page and the whole system. One step at a time. Don't start with the second button. First button. That's your first step. I'll be here to help you build something simple that can grow with you. Welcome home. We are in this together.